All right, in this video, I'm going over step 8, exercise 4, the negate method. And it says to negate a picture, set the red value to be 255 minus the current red value, the green value be 255 minus the current green value, and the blue value to be 255 minus the current blue. Okay, and so we're going to go into picture, in the picture tester class. I guess I'm in picture. Oh yeah, so I'm in picture doing the negate method, and then in picture tester, I'll have to test it in there. But anyways, we're going to loop through the pixels, the 2D array, um, using the same two loops as always. These are using enhanced for loops here, so it's getting a row so that's a 1D array, taking a row from pixels, and then within inside of that row, we're taking a pixel object one at a time. Okay, and so basically the idea is, like, let's just say that the current red was like 0, right? So what we want to do is do 255 minus 0 to make the new red is going to be 255. So basically, if there was no red before, now I want it to be all red. Okay, so let's do like if blue, let's say blue currently was like 55 or something, then I want to do 255 minus 55 so that the new blue is 200. So basically this means there wasn't a lot of blue in it before. There's just 55 blue. And so now we want to have a lot of blue. So the negate is just the opposite of what it was before, right? And I think the higher the number is, the more blue or red or whatever it is in there. Okay, and then the last one I think is green. I'll just figure, but current green, let's say there was a lot of green. Let's say there was 155 green. So then we'd want to do the opposite of that, which would be 255 minus 155. So the new green would then be like 100. So we kind of had maybe a little bit strong green, and now we have a little bit less strong green. So that's the idea, is you do 255 minus what it is currently. Okay, so basically I can get the current red by doing the pixel object. I think there's a get red, just like there's a set red. I can get red, and then I can do pixel object dot set red to be what it 255 minus what it is currently, just like it's showing up here, 255 minus what it currently is. All right, so then we're just going to keep doing that over and over again for the different ones. So I got to do this 3 times for the blue and the green. And I think that should negate, flip all the colors. So now I'm just going to make one called current blue. Make sure you got to change it in a lot of spots here. Sometimes it's almost easier to type it out than change it in all these spots, but I think, anyways, hopefully it'll work. Current green, get green, set green, current green. Okay, and then to test it, I'm gonna find the main. Sorry if I'm doing it in the wrong class, but so I'm just gonna use the beach picture. It looks like, and I want to do negate. See if it works. Just taking a second here to think, apparently. So there's my beach, and there's the negation of it, which is just flips all the colors. Okay, so I just realized I kind of put my method to test it in the wrong spot. So I should have put it in picture tester, like a test negate method that basically creates a picture, calls explore. I shouldn't call this beach because it's technically Joey. But whatever. Hopefully you get the idea. And then I'm going to explore it, then we'll call negate and explore it again. A lot like the other methods. And then in here, I have a main that has a whole bunch of them in here. And so I just uncomment the test negate so that when it runs, it'll run this method, which will make the Joey picture and then negate it. So I probably should have put it in here the first time. But you can see there's Joey kind of negated. It's kind of exciting. Okay. All right, that's all I got. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if there's further questions.